This is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz EQB 350 4MATIC. This is an all-electric vehicle with a 243-mile range, automatic full-time 4MATIC all-wheel drive, a fixed rear window with a fixed interval wiper and defroster, rain-detecting variable intermittent wipers, power liftgate rear cargo access. On the inside of the vehicle, we have a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and touchscreen multimedia display. Using this display, you can control the radio, navigation, and many other functions using the Mercedes Me Connect. This vehicle comes standard with 288 horsepower. This all-electric vehicle has a range of around 240 miles. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.